I write down. Now you people will help me out whether these two statements are right or wrong. I first said Shivanya is a girl, right? Then I said again I'm talking about the same person, that is Shivanya. I said Shivanya is beautiful. Next I said Shivanya studies in class 1. So what I am doing over here, I am using the same name again and again and again. I am saying again and again and again. मैंने first time बोला Shivanya is a girl, Shivanya is beautiful, Shivanya studies in class 1. So I am writing this name Shivanya, Shivanya, Shivanya again and again. Yes? Instead of which I can write down simply I can just write down is Shivanya is a girl, she is beautiful. Instead of using this name again, I can write down she is beautiful, she studies in class 1. So what I did over here, instead of writing the name Shivanya again, I used she. What I used? I said she, because with girl we use she and with boy or a man we use he. Understood? That is clear? So what I did, instead of writing again and again Shivanya, Shivanya, or if I say like Parv is a boy, Parv is studying, Parv likes to play. So instead of using Parv again and again, I could simply say Parv is a boy, he likes to play, he is studying. So what I did, instead of renaming the person, I just write down she, he. Okay. So all these words are known as pronoun. And when do we use this pronoun? We use pronoun instead of a noun. See, you can see there is noun written in pronoun. हम प्रोनाउन को कब यूज करते हैं? जब हमें किसी का नेम बार बार नहीं बोलना होता. We just simply say it to be a pronoun. We use it over there, I, you, he, she, it, that ways. Okay. I is used when we are talking about ourselves, about myself, when I will be speaking. Like I am teaching you, I am sitting on a chair, I am your English teacher. Okay, over here I am talking about myself, so I am talking I. When I will be using you I will be using when I will be talking to a particular person. Might be I will be talking to only Corinne or only Bhavya, or might be Arfa, Bhumi, Corinne, Bhavya all together. Then I will be saying, why you are not studying properly? Then I will be using you. Because मैं उस टाइम पर आपको point out कर रही हूँ. Understood? And as I told you, he and she. He is used for a boy or a man, and she is used for a girl or a woman. कोई मुझे बताएगा when do we be using it? हम it कब use करते हैं? We use it for any animal or any non-living thing. Like I can say, I am having a pen. I am having a pen. It is black in color. Okay, there I used it. So it कब use करते हैं? It we use when we are speaking about a animal or any non-living thing. I hope this much is all clear to you. Let us do the reading of the chapter. Then when we will be doing some exercises, concepts will get more clear to you all. Let us read. This is Hari. He plays the piano. What they used? They used he. इन्होंने दोबारा हरी नहीं लिखा. They did not say this is Hari, Hari plays the piano. No. What they have done, this is Hari. He plays the piano. Instead of saying again and again Hari, Hari, they just replace the name and used a pronoun over there. Seema is my sister. She likes ice cream. Can you see all? She has been written over here. I am hot. I live in the sky. I am the sun. The pencil is on the table. It is blue in color. See, in the third sentence, sun was telling about itself. So we have used I because sun अपने बारे में बताया था. I am hot. I live in the sky. I am the sun. Okay. Now what we are reading is, we are reading about the next one is the pencil. As I told you about the pen. अब हम read करें pencil non-living thing के लिए. That's why they have used it. Understood? Sometimes we don't want to use the same naming word again and again. As I told you in the example, Shivanya is a girl, Shivanya is beautiful, Shivanya studies in class 1. When we don't want to use these names again and again, then we use words like I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. The place of the naming words. We used to talk about ourselves. When we are talking about ourselves, we use you for the person we are talking. When we can use, we can use I and you for a boy, a girl, a man, or a woman. See, I, when do we use I? When we are talking about ourselves. When do we use you? Anytime when we are talking to the other person. It could be one person or more than one person. Okay, वो one भी हो सकता है और more than one भी हो सकते हैं. Understood? We use he for one boy or one man. We use she for one girl or one woman. We use it for a thing or an animal. Please do read these lines again. Then you will get to know everything what I have told you right now in the class. This is a very important paragraph. Do read it again. Now, let us start our exercises. Once you will complete the exercise, the topic will be much more clear to you. Fill in the blanks with using I, you, he, she, or it. Let us read the first sentence. What they are speaking in the first sentence first. Miss Jane had a bag. She opened the bag. What they did, instead of writing Miss Jane again, they said she. Okay, let us come to the second sentence. Maria is a naughty girl. Dash loves to play tricks. Instead of Maria, what I will write? I will write down she. Yes, now. See, what they have written, instead of writing Maria again and again, they used she. Okay. Number 2, the crow felt thirsty. It searched for water. Why I have written it? Because I was talking about the crow. Please complete it fast, everyone.